Hi everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm working on a skein challenge for my produce bags, and I wanted to show you how to add in more yarn whenever you run out. And this process is going to be different than when you change colors or anything like that. This is going to be you're in the middle of a project and you just ran out of yarn. So go ahead and leave a tail of a couple of inches and make sure that you've finished out any stitch that you were working. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your tail and place it between your index finger and your middle finger. And you're going to grab your new strand of yarn and place it in the same spot so both are nice and secure. And from here you're just going to place your next stitch like normal. So for me, I'm placing a double crochet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And it will be a little bit awkward, but that's not a big deal. When it comes to your last yarn over, you can drop your two tails. Just like that. Now this is completely up to you. From here you can either leave your two tails and crochet over them in your next row, or you can secure them with a little knot or two, which is what I prefer just because I like to make sure that my yarn is secure. But this way we can ensure that our knot is on the inside of our project rather than somewhere in the middle or on the outside. And so from here, we're just going to continue working with our new strand of yarn. And of course, when you come back around to your next row, you can still crochet over your tails if you would like, or you can just hide them up the inside of your project when you're done. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were trying to add on your new strand of yarn, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.